Okay, then fine. Let's continue the other backups, guys. So in the morning session, we discussed about full backup. We discussed about differential backup, and we also discussed log backups. Okay. So two more important backups are there. Okay, that is tail log backup, and one more is copy only backup. Okay. So what copy only backup will do? First, we'll discuss about the copy only backup. It's very important backup. Okay. Then we'll discuss about the tail log backup. So copy only backup. Okay. I told you there is a problem with the differential backup, right? So in case if this is the scenario, generally every Sunday full backup. Okay, every Sunday full backup. Just a minute. Shravanti, do you have any questions? Right. Every day differential backup. Every 15 minutes log backup. This is the scenario, guys. Okay. So you know if the database is corrupted at one point, you know how to restore. You know, at least you have a basic idea what kind of backups we can use to restore. That those things we discuss in the morning session. Right now, as I told you earlier, in case generally if my database is or else someone requested a full backup, okay, every Sunday full backup is going on, every day differential backup is going on, every 15 minutes log backup is going on. Suddenly in the middle of the week, application team is doing something, is doing some changes. So safe side, they asked us to ask DBA team to take the full backup on Thursday. Okay, so they asked us to take the full backup on Thursday. So now what is the challenge here? Can I take the full backup? If application is asking, if application team is asking, we need full backup. Okay, we need fresh full backup. Can you please take it? So can we take that full backup, guys, whenever we want?
Yes.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, very good. We can take the full backup whenever we want. Okay, fine. Let me tell you this challenge. Yes, we can take it. I'm not saying we cannot take it. Full backup at any time you can take. No issues. Simply full backup command you can generate. Okay, but there is a challenge here, guys. Okay. What is the challenge? Imagine Thursday you took the full backup. So whenever you took the full backup, what will happen, guys? In the morning, I explained with the back diagram. Okay. So in case in the middle, if someone took the full backup, the differential backup will be calculated from the recent full backup, right? Agreed, guys? So after this full backup, if you take any differential backup, the differential backup will be calculated from the recent full backup. This is clear, right, everyone? Fine.
Yes.
Yeah. So now the challenge is Thursday you took the full backup because of some space issues. Because of some space issues, other DBA deleted the Thursday's full backup. Other DBA deleted the latest full backup, guys. Now database is corrupted on Friday. Okay, Friday afternoon, 3:31 p.m. Now how you will achieve this? How you are going to restore the database now in this scenario? What backups you are going to use to restore the database? Got my question right? The recent full backup is deleted. After that, the current after the next day means Saturday. The recent full backup is on Thursday. Friday itself the database is corrupted. Now how we are going to restore the database till Friday? Sorry, till Friday. How we are going to restore the database?
The log backup and
Log
differential.
backups, where we can apply log backups, tell me. So on last Sunday full backup, can you apply the log backups, the fresh log backups? Can you apply the fresh log backups on last Sunday full backup?
No.
Apply? Can we apply? Is it possible like that? Can we apply last Sunday full backup for my current log backups? Yes or no, guys? Morning we discussed
No,
about
man.
2.5 hours.
No.
No, from last
No.
day.
Tell me something, yes or no, that will
No.
be fine.
No,
Right
sir.
or wrong,
No,
that is
sir.
different thing. If you are not responding, not sure whether you are listening or not. That is my concern. Okay. So no. Okay. So why? Because whenever you started full backup, whenever you started a new full backup, again the differential backup journey will starts from new full backup. The log backup journey also will starts from new full backup. You cannot mix. I told you in the morning also. I gave you an example like SP2 CU2, SP3 CU4. You cannot mix it. If you want to install SP3 CU3, you have to first install SP3. Chalo SP2 is there, then I'll apply directly SP2 SP3 CU3. That won't work. Everyone will have its own set. So whatever backups generated from the full backup, that is one set. Once again, if you took the full backup in the middle of the week, again the fresh journey will start. Again the differential backup journey will start from Thursday. Again the log backup journey will start from Thursday. So you cannot apply these recent differential or log backups on the old Sunday backups, Sunday full backups. It's not possible. That is one set, this is one set. Once you generate a new full backup, set will be changed now. Then how you are going to achieve this? How you are going to fix this issue? Got the point, right? So there is a problem here. How we are going to fix this issue? Generally there is no solution here, guys. There is no solution. Okay, so that's why SQL Server introduced copy only full backup. That's why SQL Server introduced copy only full backup. So what is the difference between a full backup and copy only full backup? A full backup will do two things, guys. Full backup will do two things. One is it will take the backup of whole database including data files and log files. Second thing is it will reset DCM pages. Whenever you generate a full backup, every time DCM page has to start a new journey, right? A fresh journey, right? So once you took the full backup, it will reset the DCM pages. So that's why from that point onwards, it will again start tracking the changes. Okay, from that full backup onwards, again you took the full backup, right? From that point onwards, again it will start tracking the changes in the fresh DCM page. This is the problem. So what Microsoft did is they introduced copy only full backup. What it will do? It will simply take the copy only full backup. It won't disturb the DCM pages. So in the middle of the week, if anyone is asking, hey, can you please take the full backup? They don't know what is copy only backup. They need full backup of the database. But you know, right? You know the difference between copy only full backup and full backup. So in case if anyone is asking full, no, you only asked full backup. That's why I took the full backup. See, this is the proof. You cannot argue with the customers. They don't know the meaning. If they know the meaning, they will also become DBAs. Why they will recruit us? Right? So they don't know. They will simply ask, can you take the full backup? Then as a DBA, you should have knowledge on this point. So whenever, other than this strategy, backup strategy, okay, if anyone comes to us, hey, can you please take a full backup on this database? Don't take full backup. Take copy only full backup. So in that case, what will happen? You know, if you took copy only full backup, the chain will goes as it is, guys. Even though you deleted this copy only full backup, nothing will happen. Why? Because the DCM pages won't be disturbed. The DCM pages will be tracked from last Sunday only. It won't be reset. In the full backup, DCM pages will be reset. Again, it will start new journey from the latest full backup. But whereas in the differential backup, in the copy only full backup, so it don't disturb DCM pages. So DCM pages will track the changes since last full backup only. Last full backup when it happened, guys? Last Sunday. So simply don't touch the DCM pages. So Nothing will happen to your differential backups, nothing will happen to your log backups in case if you took copy only full backup. If you don't take copy only full backup, you just simply took just complete full backup, then differential backup will start new journey from the latest full backup. Log backups also will start a new journey from the latest full backup. To avoid this situation, what we can do, we have to take the copy only full backup. In case if anyone is asking, or in any you are doing some changes, imagine from database side you are doing some changes, there is a need that you have to take the full backup. Don't take the full backup, take the copy only full backup. Data wise, there is no difference between full backup and copy only full backup. In the full backup, what and all transactions, what and all data is there, same data, same transactions will be there in the copy only full backup. Clear, guys? Clear? So if anyone is asking full backup, what you have to take? If anyone is asking full backup in the middle of the week, what backup you have to take, guys?
Copy only full backup.
You only backup.
Yes,
Only
copy
full
only.
backup.
Copy only full backup we have to take. Okay, so let me start the VM. So it's very easy, guys. What is the command to take the full backup? What is the command to take the full backup? At least can you start the command? You know, right? Simple words. Just at least you remember one or two keywords from the command. Nothing. Complete blank. Backup. Backup database. Very good. Backup
Full
database.
backup.
Backup database
Full
name to
backup.
disk
Very
is
good.
equals to path.
That's it. So why you are not responding then? Chalo, let him shout. How much time, how much energy is having, let him shout. Huh? The full backup command is backup database name to disk is equal to, we have to give path, or else if you don't give path also, that will be fine. It will take the default path, and then file name dot .bak. Okay, this is the full backup query. So for copy only backup, small modification is there for the same query. Okay, backup database name to disk is equal to path file name dot .bak. Till now it's same. You have to add with copy only. We have to simply add with copy only. Backup database name to disk is equal to file path. Generally you have to mention the path slash file name dot .bak. This is a full backup query, right? Fine. For copy only, you have to simply add one parameter with copy underscore only. That's it. This is the command for copy only full backup, guys. Okay. So let's take the copy only full backup now. Right. Thank you. It is taking a lot of time. Okay, so let me connect to the server. Right, open new query. Okay, what is the query, guys? Backup database. Database name is like batch 46. Batch 46. To disk is equal to path. I'm not giving path so that it will take the default path. Batch 46 underscore copy only full backup underscore what is the date today 10/16/2022 dot bak, guys, extension dot bak only, and then you have to add with copy underscore only. That's it. Okay, with copy underscore only. So you can generate, just check the script is correct or not, and then you can execute. Okay, so you can see backup database successfully processed. So in this way you can take the copy on the full backup. GUI also not possible, guys. GUI also you can take the copy on the full backup. So let me show you the copy on the full backup program files. Microsoft SQL Server instance directory, SQL, and backup. Okay, now you can see copy only full backup, right? So this is how generally it will work, guys. Okay, so you can see there is no difference between this is a full backup file 461 KB and this is a copy only backup 459 KB. Very small minute difference, guys. Only 2 KB difference is there. Okay, so data wise there is no difference. The only difference is like full backup will reset the DCM pages, copy only full backup generally don't touch the DCM pages. So in the middle of the week, the middle of the backup strategy, if anyone is asking a full backup, if simply if you have to take full backup manually. Generally, we don't take full backups manually. Jobs will be there. Jobs will take care of it. Those jobs will run every day. So I said, right, full backup will be generated at night 2 a.m. Who will take night 2 a.m. full backup? No one will take. We'll set up an automation jobs, guys. The job will run at night 2 a.m. and it will take the full backup on all the databases. Otherwise, manually, if you want to take the full backup means it's a very big effort. Imagine if you're having one server. In that one server, you might have 10 databases, 20 databases, or 100 databases. Not sure. If you want to take manual full backups on all 100 databases, is it possible? Like that one server. If you are having 100 servers, in 100 servers, in each server, imagine 20 databases are there. 100 into 20, 2000 databases will be there. Can I take backups on all 2000 databases regularly? Or else we have log backups. Can I take log backups for every 15 minutes on all the 2000 databases manually? No, we don't do that. Okay, jobs will set up automation. Next week we'll discuss automation. We'll set up the jobs. That jobs will take care of this backups or whatever script we are going to give. Automatically it will run as per the schedule time, guys. So in case if you got a chance to take the manual full backup, at any case, if you got a chance to take the manual full backup, always take copy only full backup, guys. Always take a copy only full backup. Don't take a manual full backup from your side. Copy only full backup. So the GUI way is, you know, right? GUI way. Right click. Same like full backup. Tasks. Backup. What is that? Yeah, backup. So full, keep it as it is, and you can select this option. This is called copy only full backup. Copy only with full backup. Copy only full backup. You can remove the old path. You can add the new path. You can browse, and you can give the file name. This time I'll give different file name. Batch 46. Batch 46 underscore CP only. Okay, copy only, CP only, full backup. Underscore today's date. What is today's date? 10/16/2022.bak. That's it, guys. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. That's it. In this way, you can generate a copy only full backup. Only thing is you have to select this option. Okay, tasks, backup. Make sure it is a full and you have to select this option. So copy only full backup. That's it, guys. Okay. Right. So next is tail log backup. So what is this tail log backup will do? Generally, we'll take the tail log backup during crash situation. It's not like a regular backups. Full backup will take regularly. Differential backups will take regularly. Copy only backup will take regularly. Log backups will take regularly. But tail log backup will take during crash situations. During crash situations, we are going to take tail log backup. I told you, right, morning we discussed a lot of scenarios. If my database is corrupted at 9:49, you can recover up to till what time you can recover, guys?
45.
9:45.
Very good, 9:45. You can recover till 9:40. In the same way, if it was corrupted at 3:31, at what time? Till what time you can recover?
3:30.
3:30. So what about this 1 minute data? What about this 4 minutes data? Or imagine the database is corrupted at 9:59. 10 o'clock log backup will generate. Before it, don't know, right, at what time it will be corrupted. So before 10 itself means 9:59 itself your backup is corrupted. Your database is corrupted. Then what about that 14 minutes backup? You can achieve till 9:45. What about that 14 minutes backup? How come you achieve that gap? I told you, right, during the discussion. So you can achieve that also. Okay. So for that we have to use tail log backup. So whenever any database is corrupted, the first thing that you have to do is what you have to do, guys? First thing,
Tail log backup.
you have to take the tail log backup. Immediately, first thing you have to do is you have to take the tail log backup. Okay, so whatever gap is there since last log backup, tail log backup will work based on last log backup. So till 9:45 we have log backup, right? From that 9:45 to till 9:59, till the point before corruption, the database is corrupted 9:59 20 seconds. 9:59 19 seconds, up to 9:59 90 seconds the database is good, right? So till a second before corruption, you can achieve the data by using the tail log backup. So whenever if the database is corrupted, the first thing that you have to do is you have to take the tail log backup immediately. Again, it will take the backup of log file only. You won't touch the data file. Okay, it will take the backup of log file. So finally, here you people answered, right? We have to use one full backup, one recent differential backup, 75 log backups or 76 log backups. After restoring all the backups, what we have to do, guys? After restoring the full differential and log backup, what we have to do?
Same, we have to restore this transaction.
Tail log backup. Transaction log backup is different. Tail log backup is different.
Yeah.
So the last thing that you have to do is you have to restore the tail log backup. If the database is corrupted, the first thing that you have to do is you have to take the tail log backup. If the database is like, if you are trying to restore the database, once you restore full backup, once you restore differential backup, once you restore transaction log backups, okay, finally you have to restore tail log backup. This mechanism is called point in time recovery. Point in time recovery means what? You are recovering the database till point in time. Means if the database is corrupted at 9:59, you are recovering till 9:58 or 9:59, like the data at least a second before its corruption. So by achieving a point in time, you are achieving point in time. That's why this mechanism is called point in time recovery, guys. Point in time recovery means, how can you achieve point in time recovery? By restoring full backup, differential backup, log backups and tail log backups, you can achieve point in time recovery. Means how can you get back the database till the database is like the state, till a good state. How can you get back the good state of the database? Till what time you can get back the good state? Till a second before its corruption. So to do that, what you have to do? I have to restore full backup, I have to restore differential backup, I have to restore all the log backups. Finally, I have to restore the tail log backups. Okay, so in this way you can achieve the point in time recovery, guys. Okay, so the first thing what you have to do, guys, when the database is corrupted, the first thing what you have to do, only during crash situations, again, only during crash situations will take the tail log backup, not regularly. So for that, what is the query? Okay, for that we have a query. What is the log backup query, guys? Backup log database name batch 46 to disk is equal to, okay, batch 46 file name underscore tail log backup. Guys, here you can give your own name. Just to identify the backup files, I am giving my name. Means I'm just following one standard, guys. Here you can give any name, no issues. Okay, no issues. You can give any name. You can give your name also. You can give Deepika Padukone name also. Nothing to worry. Okay, backup log database name to disk is equal to Deepika Padukone .dak. Whatever you want, it will accept, guys. Nothing. See here, file names are just for the standards. Another DBA has to understand, right? If you see Deepika Padukone, what he will think? Okay, that's why don't give that kind of names. Okay, you should be professional, right? So other DBS has to understand, okay, this is batch 46 log backup or tail log backup or full backup, and he has to understand when you take this backup and also. That's why generally we are going to follow standards, but in this single quotes, whatever name you give, it will take the backups with that same name, guys. No issues. Tail log backup, what is the time? 06, okay, or else follow 18 hours, 24 hours window, okay, 18:41, and imagine anything, you can give any seconds, guys, 40 seconds, okay, dot tail log backup, right? .trn. Log backup and tail log backup, you have to give extension as .trn. Okay, with no underscore truncate, no underscore truncate. Okay, so this is the command. Till here, it's a log backup command. Till here, this is a log backup command. For tail log, you have to add one parameter called with no truncate. Okay, tail log backup, you have to add one parameter called no truncate. So this is your tail log backup, guys. Okay, so you can execute this. So you can see here, backup log successfully processed, and it was successfully, okay, took the tail log backup, guys. This is how generally we'll take the tail log backup. Any questions here? Any questions, any doubts?
No.
No questions? Are we good? Okay, fine. So remaining other backups, what I'm going to do, guys. So we discussed about other backups, right? So striped backups. What are the other backups? Yeah. Striped backups, mirror backups. Striped backups means you can split the backups, guys. Imagine my database size is 2 terabytes. My database size is 2 terabytes. Okay. So how much backup file will be generated, guys? Generally for 2 terabytes, how much backup file? Always you can count 20% of 2 terabytes, guys. What is 20% of 2 terabytes? 2 terabytes, 20% means hardly 200 GB or 300 to 400 GB.
400
So
GB.
yeah, 400 GB. It will be 400 GB. So 400 GB storage I should have. Then only I can take the backup, right? It will create 400 GB storage file. It will create 400 GB file. So where I can keep this 400 GB file? I should have 400 GB free space in my drive. Okay, but using this mirror striped backup, you can take that backup to multiple parts. Means if you are giving 4 parts, okay, if you are taking backup to 4 parts, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, this 400 GB will be divided into 100 GB backup. 100 GB, part 1 is 100 GB, part 2 is 100 GB, part 3 is 100 GB, part 4 is 100 GB. Means you can take the backup in pieces, guys. You can take the backup in pieces during the it will improve the performance. One thing is it will improve the performance generally. Second thing is the backups will be faster than regular backups, guys. Okay, parallelly it will write to 100 GB files, so to 400 GB files. So generally it will be faster than uh, regular full backups. But the challenge is, out of these 4 pieces, if one piece is missed, you cannot restore the database. This is not 4 copies, 4 pieces. If you want to club it, 4 pieces should be there. If any piece is missed, we cannot club it. So you cannot restore, guys. So striped backups, striped genes, you know, right? Pieces. So in the same way, striped backup means it will take the backup to multiple drives. Okay, so you can take the backup. You can take the backup of a single database to multiple drives or multiple folders. Okay, so while restoring, you should have all 4 parts. You can take up to 64 parts, guys. You can take up to 64 parts. Okay, so just a minute, just 2 minutes. Give me some time. Guys, can we connect after 30 minutes or 7:30? Actually, I'm not feeling well. Okay, so I'm getting some throat
Yeah,
pain.
sir, no issue.
Okay, so
No issue.
we'll see up to 7:30.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Mm,
Okay.
Okay, fine, sir.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much.